Rob, you're going to be sore tomorrow.
This is Rob Guthins, the Service Master Advanced Cleaning and Restoration in Mobile, Alabama. We're on a large commercial loss. This building is about 300,000 square feet. And they came in this morning for the second time, and this entire area, and it jogs to your left, the hallway just as big, it's completely underwater. We've got several truck mount extraction units and a host of workers both extracting water and drying. It's going to take us all day, but we're up to it. You have a large commercial loss or even a small one in your home, call the true master of disaster, Service Master Advanced Cleaning and Restoration in Mobile, Alabama, anywhere along the Gulf Coast. 251-653-9333.